Roof flashing is usually metal, and it's metal that's bent in a way that it's going to divert water away from the interior of the home. And is usually used in an area to join two different types of materials. So one common roof flashing is called dormer flashing. So if you have a wall that comes up out of a roof line, that dormer flashing will go up behind the siding and then down onto the shingles, so that as water comes down that wall space, it can't get underneath the shingles and run underneath the roof. The flashing systems on a roof are some of the most important pieces of your roof, depending on how many penetrations you have coming out. Simple roofs don't require a lot of flashings. If there's no real penetrations coming out of the roof, there's not going to be the need for a lot of flashing. But if you have dormers, if you have walls that cut into roof lines, if you have a lot of those different things, the flashing that is done around those pieces is very important. And one area where a lot of roofers will overlook, they won't want to replace some of those old flashings, and that can cause trouble down the road. You can put on brand new shingles, but if those flashing areas aren't done properly, you're gonna get some leaks. And so you want to make sure, as you're looking at doing a roofing project, that those flashing pieces are talked about, and that you know what is going to happen in those areas of the home. Some of those flashing pieces we can't see until during the tear off, and so that's where having a roofer that you trust, having somebody that you know is going to raise an issue if it comes up, that if there's a bad flashing piece, that they're going to bring it to your attention and let you know what needs to be done to fix that, because you don't want to put brand new shingles on and put down old flashing that isn't gonna stand the test of time. Chimneys are another area that that flashing needs to be done properly. Some of the old chimneys, the flashing was put on when the bricks were laid on it, and so there's been a lot of rusting of the flashing system. And so you want to make sure that whoever does your roof, that they take a good look at your chimney flashing as well.